Hello ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. It's still your girl again, Blessing, aka Chifo. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about everything that has to do with your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. So what do we have in today's videos, guys? This video, as you must have seen on the caption, I will be discussing the 3 variants of Vaseline body oil. Yes, so I think 2 weeks ago I talked about 3 body oils that are hydrating body oils that you can use for all skin type. But in today's video I've brought another one, a good body oil that you can also use on the face, and we're going to be looking at 3 different variants of it. I know that you must have seen Vaseline oil, you know, people have talked about it, but I just want to tell us something different that maybe you have not heard. So stay tuned while I expose that in. So guys, the very first one I'll be talking about is this one, the one in the pink bottle. This is called the Vaseline Intensive Care Body Oil, right? This one has its main ingredient as vitamin B3, and we know the other name of vitamin B3 to be niacinamide, right? So Vaseline body oil is an oil that is very hydrating, guys. It is for all skin type, be it your ebony, chocolate, dry skin, combination skin, whatever skin type or skin tone you have, you can use Vaseline oil, right? So this pink one is called the Intensive Care. Now this one is made in Dubai. So you might be wondering why these 3 Vaselines, they are pretty much almost the same, but the distinguishing factor is their ingredients, right? The ingredient that was used to formulate each of them, and also the location where they were produced. That is actually the main distinguishing factor between these 3 Vaseline I'll be discussing in today's video. So guys, this Intensive Care really is for people who want to tone their skin, right? This one has the ability to tone your skin, brighten it, hydrate your skin, and also give you this glowy finish, right? The consistency of this one is also thick. It is something that doesn't run, it absorbs very well into your skin, and it gives you this glowing finish, and it's very hydrating, that you must know. So niacinamide, we know, is a blemish control ingredient, so this would, over time, if you're using it, clear all those appearances of mild blemishes, not very pronounced skin blemish. So if you have hyperpigmentation or even tone, this might not take care of it, because it is not a treatment oil, it's just a hydrating oil that can brighten your skin over time. And this oil, you can use it anytime because it will not sludge on your skin or clog your pores. We have seen some body oils that when you use them, they tend to clog your pores or even cause you so much heat that you tend to sweat. This oil is not like that. It would absorb very well into your skin. Now moving on to the second one is this one here, Vaseline Radiant Cocoa Body Oil, right? This one has 2 types. It has one that the seal is blue and the other one is brown. Now both of them are produced by Vaseline company. It's just the location. So one is produced in the UK while the other one is produced in the US. But both of them are Vaseline products. That is Unilever. Unilever is the manufacturer of Vaseline product. So both of them are also produced by Unilever. But the blue one is produced in the UK while the brown one is produced in the US. So they are all the same type. Now this cocoa butter, the main ingredient is cocoa butter fragrance. Now if you love fragrance, I would say go for this cocoa butter because it has this cocoa fragrance that can act as a perfume for you, right? It gives you this fine sweet smell that you can even substitute for perfume if, for instance, you don't wear perfume. But if you're somebody that doesn't like body oil or any skincare that has perfume, you just like odorless perfume, odorless skincare, then I'll say you go for the first one, which is the pink one. Now that one has just normal, you know, like baby kind of baby scent. You know, if baby oil, the way they scent, really that's how the pink one smells. But it is not really intense in terms of the perfume. But for this one, it has the cocoa smell. So if you're somebody who loves cocoa butter smell, which I feel you cannot dislike cocoa butter smell, like me, I love cocoa butter, like Palmer cocoa butter lotion. I just love it because of the smell, right? Same with this body oil, it has that kind of smell. So this one doesn't really have any special ingredients. It is just the normal body oil, but it's hydrating. It pretty has the same consistency with the other one that I've mentioned before, but it's just that that other one has niacinamide. This one doesn't have. This one just have normal glycerin and all the hydrating ingredients and humectant that is used to formulate a normal oil. That is what this one has. This one too might not give you a shade or two. It will just, you know, help with your skin hydration and lock in moisture for you. It would be best for you to use this if you're just trying to maintain your skin tone, or you're trying to heal from skin dryness, cracked skin, or you are ebony or dark skin. I'll say go for this too. Either of them, either the one with the blue seal or the other one with the brown seal. They are pretty much the same. Reason being that this one will not lighten you. So if you're looking to get a shade or two from your body oil, I'll say you go for the first one, not for this, because this one really doesn't have any special lightening ingredient in it. You just have a moisturizing ingredient and a hydration ingredient that would help, you know, lock in moisture for you and give you this glowing finish. Now to the last one for today, guys, is the latest of them all, which is this one, the Vaseline Sera Glow. Yeah, this one is pro ceramide, so it has a lot of ceramide, it has vitamin E, and then it has almond oil, right? I think this one is pretty much packed with a lot of beautiful ingredients compared to even the pink one. So I think this is their latest baby, and it has good repair ingredients, but skin repair ingredient. Like we know ceramide helps with collagen, it helps with restoring your skin barrier. Then they have the vitamin E that acts as an antioxidant. It also helps boost collagen. And then almond oil, which is like a soothing oil. So I think this is more like a treatment oil or a healing oil. So if you're somebody who has cracked or damaged skin, I think you should go for this. Or you're trying to heal from maybe skin issue, maybe you bought a product that, you know, weakened your skin barrier, or maybe destroyed your skin tissue, and your skin tissue is frail, I'll say go for this. Or if you're somebody who has eczema, freckles, you have cracked skin, your skin is very dry, I'll say go for this, because this have beautiful healing ingredients in it. So overall, I would say if I were to choose, right, I'll go for this last one or the very first one. But guys, all of them are hydrating, all of them are like gel consistency, so they absorb into your skin very quickly and they glow your skin. And really, like I always say, the essence of buying oil is to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated and healthy. So if you're looking for one good oil that you can use to achieve this, you can pick from either of the three that I have mentioned. And if you have also used any of this of these three body oils that we have reviewed in the comment section, please let us know. How was it? Did it give you the result you were looking for, or otherwise? Let us know in the comment section. For me, I don't see any downside to any of this body oil. I just feel that it's a bit expensive, because really body oils should be going for things like 5,000, 4,000, or even higher, 6,000, but the prices are almost hitting 10,000. And I think it's because of the demand, right, in the oil. Though the size is cool, 200 ml, but I think the price should at least be lower, because it's actually a body oil and it doesn't really I don't want to say it doesn't really do anything, but it does, really it does. But I just feel the price should be a bit lower than what it is currently selling for. So for me, I think that is the only downside I have for this body oil. I just wish Vaseline can reduce the price for us, because it is just too expensive for a body oil. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the best time to subscribe to our channel, guys. Support us, we're still growing. Like our videos, comment and share.